Today, I'll show you how to create a Gmail account without a phone number. Before we begin, it's important to know that Google does not always require a phone number when creating a Gmail account, but in some cases it may still ask for one. This can depend on things like your device, your location, your age, or Google's security checks during sign-up. So this method can work, but it may not appear the same for every person. To start, open your browser and go to the Google Account Sign-up page. Click Create Account, then choose for My Personal Use. After that, enter your first name and last name, then continue to the next step. Now choose the Gmail address you want to create. If the name you want is already taken, Google will usually suggest a few other options. You can pick one of those or try creating your own variation. Then create a strong password, type it again to confirm, and move to the next screen. At this point, Google may ask for extra information such as your birthday and gender. Fill in those details carefully. Then look at the phone number section. In some cases, the phone number field may be optional, which means you can leave it empty and continue. If you see a skip option, tap or click that and move forward. If Google lets you continue without entering a number, review the information on the screen, agree to the terms, and finish creating your account. After that, your new Gmail address will be ready to use. Just remember, sometimes Google may still require phone verification for security reasons. If that happens, there may be no skip option for that sign-up attempt. And that's it. That's how to create a Gmail account without a phone number. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.